Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make pastel pink and salmon pink colors using only two colors, which are red and white. So let's get started. First we'll take the red color, half part of red color, or you can use one part also. And if you are using half part of red color, then take one part of white color, and if you are using one part of red color, then you have to take two parts of white color. And it's your choice. If you take two or more, then just double the amount of white color how much you use the red color. So here's the pastel pink or the baby pink color. Now we'll make the salmon pink, for which I'm using this color only and taking some red color and then just mixing it to make darker. And here is our salmon pink color. So for the salmon pink color, if you are using one part of red color, then you have to use only one part of white color, and if you are using half part of red color, then you have to take half part of white color. So here is my small video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.